kwerirwo thie na wega tigwo na wega itikagiria tuonane na nikyo itinagiria tuonane kuma riria tokiriganite oro haha ngai kugeithia na ngakihoka ati no wikoretwo na ihinda riega na ukungwiri mwega wa mambura ma thigũkũ na ni ndagicoka niguo ngikomenyithie uria bururi uragithie na mbere na kwerio nga no indi njitikiria tukembe twamukire mamwe wa maria tukuhariririe. Na maria tukuhariririe Gikunjuro kia Mohoro.
We want to question whoever is in charge of the National Police Service and the national government officers.
Mutongoria ari anini bungeni ya gĩbũrũri Opiyo Wandayi hukumithia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ũhũthĩri mũũru wa maabitha a borithi. Meri ya ageni makĩria magana mana gũkinya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 61 harĩ igana kĩa Akenya kuga atĩ bũrũri ndũgathiĩ na mwerekera mwega. Mohoro maya marari gukinyira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyanira Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV. Ni gikomokera riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi na tukianjiria na maria tunikuharirie ni ati mutongoria wa aria anini mbunge ya gĩbũrũri ni Opiyo Wandayi ni akionekete gukirira thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikiria augite ati ni ũhũthĩri mũũru wa maabitha na maabitha angĩ anene thirikari-inĩ cia kaunti kũringana na Wandayi augite ati kũrĩ maabitha a thirikari maikoretwo makĩhũthĩra maabitha a borithi gũkorwo makĩhahithia na makĩria atongoria arĩa marĩ mwako-inĩ wa mũng'ethanĩro.
You look at all the economies in Africa. Kenya is doing very badly. Yesterday I talked to somebody very high in the government and he told me things are very, very bad. There is no money in the country. You in your car or watch Kai very clearly. The government for the first time is not giving to the constituencies funds which should go, national funds which should go to the constituencies, including the CDF. You have heard that although Kenya Kwanza is talking very loudly, they are not sending money to because the country is broke. You have heard that the country called Uganda is now getting more foreign investment than Kenya. You have heard that Ethiopia is now a bigger economy than Kenya many times. You have heard that the Tanzanian economy has expanded in the last 20 years 7 times. 7 times. With a president who is a lady, and Tanzania is doing much better than Kenya.
Orodomwe na mutongoria mwahu wa mũng'ethanĩro augite ati kũringana na arĩa makoretwo makĩrũgamĩrĩra mwahu wa Kenya Kwanza matiakorirwo makĩenda kũhutĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ ngarama ya igũrũ ya mũtũrĩre.
We thank for mom and dad and the beauty of having them with us.
Public opinion showed that 84% of Kenyans had said no to that finance bill that raised tax to unprecedented levels, that imposed levies like housing that already very thin pay slips in the current economic situation were getting thinner. And many of them are professionals who are here. You're feeling the pinch, you're feeling the pain. And when Mtata took him on, wachana na hiyo mambo ya kunipeleka kotini. Lakini juzi akasema wale mmenipeleka kotini, I'm going to deal with you. Na usifikiri hii sword nilipewa ni kukata mboga. Hii sword itakuwa ni ya ambao mnapinga mimi bado mnapeleka mambo housing ili continue. So I think tell my brother Uthuthuria that we are together and no amount of threats will count. We continue fighting for Kenyans in the new year and until justice is done in this republic. This regime has entrenched tribalism. That is something that we, as we go into the new year, want to assure you we continue fighting. Even we had issues that we wanted to address. Some of them touched every Kenyan, the cost of living. This Christmas was not a normal Christmas, Bishop. Wakenya wengi Christmas have not enjoyed the way we normally enjoy, and we are hoping that as we go into the new year, that report address some things that were very beneficial to the political class. Some of us refused to sign because they did not address the real issue touching on the ordinary Kenyans. Next year, more taxes are going to come. Taxes are going to go up. Those of you wale ni wafugaji, kuna mpango wa kuanza kutoa pesa kwa kila ng'ombe, kwa kila boma. Ukiwa na ng'ombe, watakuwa jamaa anaitwa Zakayo, atakuwa anatafuta shilingi 2,000 kwa kila ng'ombe. Kwa kila mbuzi, they propose to tax you 600 shillings. Kwa kila mbuzi. Alafu wanakuja pia kwa kuku. Hali ya mbele, Zakayo akikataa kushukisha ushuru na ongeze, akatai kushuka juu ya mti. We only have one solution. Kufanya nini? Kukata miti. Tutaomba mtusaidie to sharpen our axes as we go into the new year. Kukata hii miti so that we can bring about good leadership. Itajali wananchi, itakomesha ufisadi na ukabila.
Tutigane na icio tukirongo uria bururi urakiriganania ati gicunjĩ kĩa 61 harĩ igana kĩa Akenya nĩ maugĩte ati bururi ndũkĩrorete na mwerekera mwega nĩ kũringana na ũthuthuria wa tarĩki 18 na tarĩki 19 mweri-inĩ ũyũ nĩ kambuni ya ũthuthuria ya Infotrak ĩgĩkuruhania Akenya 1,500 guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Mamwe wa maũndũ marĩa makoretwo makiuga matũmbĩrĩte bũrũri gũkorwo magoti ma igũrũ kuma kũrĩ thirikari thogora wa maguta hamwe na mangĩ maingĩ. Nake mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri akĩrĩkana akĩonekana arĩ we ũrigĩtie harĩ ũruti wĩra wa maabitha a thirikari.
Currently, Kenyans feel the country is headed at a wrong direction at 61%. If you compare that with last year, December, same period, it was at 55%. So we see a change of 7% from last year, meaning people are feeling the heat. In as much as there's a bit of a 2% increment for those that feel the country is headed in the right direction, that statistically is a bit insignificant, though it moved from 16% last year to 18%. Then of course we can see a number of people before now had felt that the country is right no wrong direction. You can see that it's about 17% currently. One aspect that has really hammered a lot is the high cost of living and unemployment coupled with poverty and increase in taxation. I think since the regime came in power, there's been a lot of issues to do with taxation or introduction of new taxes. Based on our poll, this is the result. And from the presidency or the president as a person, he has an overall performance of 47%. And if you are a teacher, that student is graded at D, mean grade D, who also has underperformed and has that grade. Grade E. Then of course, collectively, cabinet secretaries have a performance of 43% based on the grading system.
oni waku na mugambo waku ni uriku hihi bururi ni uragithie na njira iria yagiriire kana hihi ungikorwo ukiheo maabitha a thirikari iria ikwaranĩirie na cikinyĩria wa Facebook na @muthingi.tv ona ũngĩkĩhũthĩra namba kana akaunti yakwa ya Facebook @mũrugithia no gũkorwo ũgĩtambua tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩatĩ atumia na gĩcũkũ gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kĩrĩnyaga nĩ makĩonekete kwĩrutĩrĩria na kũhĩmbĩria mawĩra gũkorwo makĩrutwo nĩ arũme nĩ kũgerera gũkorwo merĩkĩtie kana harĩ mawĩra matiganĩte ta arĩ wa mĩako na makĩria harĩ tabarĩra-inĩ ya nyũmba kana ya mĩako ya nyũmba cia raithi na iria ikĩandĩkĩtwo kaunti-inĩ ĩno ĩgĩtongorio nĩ thirikari nene kũringana na arĩa marĩtie na andĩki a mohoro maugire atĩ kũria kana kũrũmĩrĩra o gũkorwo makĩhĩmbĩria mawĩra maya nĩ makoretwo makĩhota hinya kũrũgamia kĩmũtũrĩre.
Kuma kĩambĩrĩria kĩa au mjengo rĩrĩa gwatuĩkire wĩra wa thirikari nĩ ũroka Kĩcũgũ kĩoguo niĩ ngĩũka kũria wĩra na ngĩona wĩra gũkũ Baragwe na rĩu nĩ njiguagua ngĩkenera kũruta wĩra wakwa kwa mjengo tondũ nũndethetie na nĩ nyonagĩra ciana gĩa kũrĩa kĩoguo nĩ ndĩracokia ngatho nĩ gũkorwo tũkĩona wĩra.
Marĩtwa njĩtagwo Jane Kariũko kuma gũkũ Gĩcũgũ na wĩra ũyũ nĩ ũtũtethetie mũno ndanjanĩrĩrie na ũkĩambĩrĩria na niĩ nĩ kandigirwe kuona mjengo wa thirikari gũkũ Gĩcũgũ so na ngĩheo nafasi ĩyo ya kũgĩa wĩra gũkũ.
Twaũrora ũguo twenda gwaka nyũmba 110 haha na ũngĩrora mburoko ciothe ithano nĩ ciambatĩrĩte na nĩ ithiĩte wega. Mũradi no tũhe percentage ya 15 o 15% kuma rĩrĩa His Excellency the President araũntire mũradi ũyũ. Na mũradi ũyũ nĩ ũteithĩtie andũ a Gĩcũgũ. Mũngĩrora site ĩno twina makĩria andũ 100 na andũ acio othe 95% maumĩte area ĩno.
No tũvoe Ngai na nĩgetha tũtuĩke magũtethekera thĩinĩ wa kaunti ĩno.
No megũkũ tũtirarĩ wĩra as youth turarĩ twĩchanganyicĩte na maũndũ moru mũno no tũgũkũ tũgakorwa yani nĩ tũrageria ona tũtirabũthĩra mihandarati.
Kwa kuma kaunti ya Kĩrĩnyaga Gĩcũgũ tũtuĩka kũrĩkĩria o hanini tũkaikũrikania thiĩ na mbere na kwaranĩria nanyi gerera nenda citũ cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook nĩ @muthingi.tv na tukiuka namba WhatsApp 0707 kana namba WhatsApp tukiuka tukiranĩria tukiranĩria o ngĩkĩria oro hanini tũgakorwo tũmenya mũno tukiranĩria
It's easier, it's bigger, it's better. It's Grand Mega Draw. Cheza na shilingi 50 hadi shilingi 2,000 na ushinde mega cash ya 200 million. Isitoshe, kuna mega bonus ya up to 20 kila Jumatano na Jumamosi. Sio ndoto, unangoja nini? Cheza Lotto, it could be you. Nenda kwa M-Pesa paybill number 777-000. Andika neno Muthingi kama account number. Cheza na kati ya shilingi 50 hadi shilingi 2,000 na ushinde sasa. Round hii ni more draws, more cash and big wins na Lotto.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB. Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ amu Muthingi TV nĩ ĩrakũhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana email neo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Uka tutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
nitwagicokereria na ndaikoro ndakiririkania namba ya WhatsApp ni 0794442544 okiandomereria nitugiko tukiaraniria tukiyuka nginya kaunti-ini ya Mboni ya serikali ya kaunti-ini ya Mboni magithingatitwo iguru mari wa mbere gutigirira ati ni makinyitanira na thirikari hari kumurana na kuhukia njohi kana gutongoria na wendia wa njohi cia ibango ni kuringana na kaunti komanda wa mwena huu kana komanda munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ino uria augite ati ni makoretwo makiyukia kireti 40 cia njohi njikirire mukana kana njohi itakinyanirie ikiro gukiri uguo akiuga ati ni manyitanire na honge itiganite ariko munsi cia uthuthuria gutigirira ni mahukia na ni makinyitithia bara ino ya ndugugio.
Yesterday evening, we received information from good members of public who gave us information on somebody who was storing illicit brew. We dispatched officers who were able to net 40 crates of counterfeit beer. We've commenced investigations. We are doing a joint multi-agency verification so that we are able to make sure that we've confirmed that this beer is unfit for human consumption.
Jana tumepata pombe hapa Chicago crates 40 ambazo zote zilikuwa zimejaa pombe. Tukapata crate nyingine moja ambayo ilikuwa na chupa 19, na hiyo pombe yote tunadhania kwamba hiyo pombe ni mbaya kwa sababu haikutoka kwa kampuni ambayo imesajiliwa na serikali. Hii ni pombe ambayo imeundwa na mtu binafsi. Mahali ameundia hatujui, lakini tukuja tukaipata mahali kwa store, tukavunja, tukaipata, tuko naye. Na kuna idara kama KRA, KEBS na idara zile zingine za serikali ambazo zinafanya utafiti kwa ubora wa hiyo bidhaa, lakini sisi wenyewe tunajua hiyo pombe ni mbaya.
Na mbere na mĩatugo dini ũtanyĩtwo gũthiĩ na mbere na kũgacĩra na makĩria hĩndĩ ĩno ya ũkũngũĩri wa mambura matiganĩte mathiĩ gũkũ nĩ kũgia kana nĩ kũrũmĩrĩra agendi angĩ magĩkinyia gĩcũa-inĩ kana gĩcũa-inĩ kĩa Moi ũmũthĩ kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ihinda wa ũgendi John Chipche augĩte atĩ agendi na meri mũthemba wa MV Bolete nĩ magũkorwo magĩcera itũri-inĩ ngũrani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na kũrĩa magĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo makĩgacĩrithia kana kũgacĩrithia ũgendi na njĩra nene, akiuga atĩ ona nĩ matanyĩte agendi makĩria gũkorwo magĩkinyia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
My name is John Chirchir, Acting CEO Kenya Tourism Board. Today we are happy to be in Mombasa at the port, KPA port here, and we are really happy to have welcomed MV Bolete, which has come with 859 tourists during this festive season here in Mombasa. But as we speak, there's a group that is already in the Masai Mara. There are those are in Taita Taveta, Hills, and even far, Savo East, Savo West, Amboseli, and mostly also within the city of Mombasa. We will go to the coast to discover what is available there in terms of culture. So we are seeing that there is opportunity. The Jumuiya County is working together to tap into these cruise businesses and opportunities that there are. There is a lot of marketing going on, but in the season to come, we are happy to report that about 13 or so cruise ships will be coming to Kenya by April in the next year. But for this group that has come sort of to close the year with us, we celebrate them, we appreciate them. We understand looking forward to this moment, arriving in Kenya and getting those experiences that I've been hearing about, learning about, talking with friends and relatives, and today they have come and enjoyed by themselves.
Shukran. Kwa jina naitwa Mohamed Osman, mimi ndio waziri wa utalii, utamaduni na biashara Mombasa County. Yeah, at this time, you know, the peak, and you've seen Mombasa receiving a lot of local tourism. Now with the addition of this cruise ship thing, 800 are on board. activity going on. Some of them have gone to the servos, and some of them will be going and visiting our Swahili, visiting our cultural heritage sites, maybe for the Jesus. We are holding a 5 days extravaganza in Mamangina. We welcome there to go and see the Swahili culture there. Those are things that we're expecting our visitors to visit.
I just arrived this morning and I'm blown away by the welcome we've got here. It's terrific. We're pleased to be here. This is our first trip and I'm looking forward to seeing what you can offer us in your country.
ya hawa ina kutokea ya mambo magari tena nete asubuhi na magari ya kitu kwa makini ile kana maiki yote na kwa makini tena nako na dadira ko haje kipe ujede na gukoria tarada ni ya eketio ni kiama taga ya athletics na mabunge wa mwana wa mukozi na kwa utobora ya kiama cha jogging club kwa maikari ya tambiki mwana wa embu ikaita Steve Mido hari ona netie na guthingiria fata wa kunyitirira mbegu ujide ya gutigirira atini makore ihe orogwe na taranda
na mambo ambayo mheshimiwa anahimiza na ambayo tumeshika kama AK ambayo sasa tunataka ku-identify talent. We shall have wale under 10, even under 5 na under 15, tuwe na camp zote from under 20, under 15, under 10, under 5, na tutakuwa na competition yetu 13th January na ambayo tuwe na region na tutaleta wale watoto wote pamoja ili tuanze ku-identify our talent mapema. Kwa hivyo mimi kama AK nasema mheshimiwa wetu kuna kazi ambayo amefanya kazi nzuri zaidi. Sio kama watu wengine ambao unakuta kazi yao ni kuleta hizi pombe mbaya. Kwetu Manyata wale vijana wamepotea kwa sababu ya kukunywa hizo pombe mbaya ni wengi sana. Aswa Manyata na kwetu Embu kwa sababu hizo pombe zinauzwa rahisi hapa kwetu na mtu akiwa kijali watu ambao wako chini yake kwa sababu ndio watakuwa viongozi wa kesho. Lakini tukiwa wote mtu awe kama Eronde, yeye kazi yake ni kuwa watu bandera ya kuwajenga kama vile mheshimiwa Mkonji anajenga vijana katika mbio. Utaona sasa hii hakuna mtu ambaye anaenda general kwa sababu ya homa nini magonjwa kidogo hii na diabetes level 2 unakuta inamalizwa na hii jogging ambayo tunafanya. Mambo mingi ambayo nina magonjwa kidogo
kitu kama showcasing Embu ama Manyata constituency kama area yenye iko na potential sana maneno ya athletics, na hii ni kwa sababu tumeona pia athletics wakitoka nje wakikuja kukimbilia huku kwetu kwa sababu ya climate mzuri ya hii area yetu, na pia route mzuri Kigari pale pamekuwa area ambayo athletics kama kina Kipchoge wanakuja kufanya training ili waweze kukua na hiyo energy na kukua na hiyo resistance nje. Na kitu muhimu pia sana ni kuhimiza Waembu kwa sababu pia kuna area zinatoa watu ambao wanaweza
na nyingi wako ule mitambo ya mvuko wa kutumo ya mvuko kwa kwa baba kwa kwa wako mvuko kwa 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 ane mai na ndio kwa mvuko no wa mtambo wa kwa kwa tia kwa no tukisema ni haha ya siriki hada ta mwezi kwa ile kitu ya kwa na bwana kwa kwa mwanadi aitu ambao mmoja mmoja kutikisha kwa wajo mmoja kutikisha kwa mmoja kwa Kenya ndio ikida